Hello, ENJO Crazy Lady here with a head in the basin. I'm going to do a quick whip around of my bathroom today. So I've got a few of my tools here that I need. I've got the bathroom bundle, which comprises your bathroom glove, the mini version of the glove, the bathroom sponge, and I like to have 2 of the bathroom miracles. So when I clean the bathroom, the first thing that I need to do is dust all the surfaces. So pick up any hair, towel fluff, anything that might just spread around. I've got my trusty spray bottle here, which sprays upside down, any angle. I turn it on, there we go. And our natural helpers. Calcium dissolver is your, well, it's a citric acid, it's a natural substance, it's your slight mold retardant, so it's great in the grout in the shower. It's fantastic for any built-up calcium in the toilet bowl. It's brilliant for shower heads that are spraying out at different angles. You can soak it overnight, and it's also great for actually refreshing your fibres. Marble paste is our Jif Gumption Ajax equivalent, and it's another one of our natural helpers. It's a citric acid, it's chalk, and it's marble dust, which is fantastic in the shower, in the grout as well. So I've just finished dusting my surface now. All that towel fluff, hair, any sort of makeup. Not that we're using makeup these days with COVID. Now onto the glove. I'm just going to spray water. And just in case you're asking, it's not vodka, it's water. Love my water. So over all our surfaces, just a gentle wipe. Over the top of the vanity and into the basin. Just till you feel everything goes smooth and the soap scum is removed. Now our miracles, it's best if you keep them folded in 4. They're easier to hold, but then also you've got 8 dry sides. So into 4, over we go, over the top. Shiny, shiny. Miracles really bring back your surfaces to a showroom finish. And then dry the top of your vanity. And in the basin. Perfect. Now I'm just going to move the camera over to the toilet because I like to do that next. And I'm just going to bend it down a bit so you can actually see the toilet. No, can't see it there. Alright. Okay, alright. I like to use the mini version for the toilet, and I've got my second miracle. I've got my spray bottle, and I've got the bathroom handy. Now this is a very handy little tool. It's great for plug holes, it's great for shower tracks, it's great to get anywhere that you can't reach, as well as it's your toilet brush. So it goes up and underneath the rim, and it goes down the ear bend as well. Alright, so I will just dampen the mini with water. Over the top we go. And then we dry it, of course. It's a simple wet, wipe, and dry. Okay, oops, it's a bit wet there. Underneath the lid. Around the seat. And again, we dry. Keep your miracle folded into 4. If it gets too wet, then you can flip it over and again fold it into 4. Now my mini's a bit dry, so I'll just give it a bit more water. Again, very simple. Wet, wipe, and dry. Alright, and now I use the bathroom handy. So it's underneath the rim, around the bowl, and then into the water and the water line, around the ear bend, and that's the toilet finished. I'll just dry that off a little bit more there. Done. Right, now onto the shower. Now my shower does have a mould problem, so I'll just turn you around here so you can perhaps see me in the shower. Every week when I clean my bathroom, I alternate between using the calcium dissolver on the sponge in the grout, and this week you can see that I've prepared it earlier. Yes, I've prepared it earlier. Marble paste on the sponge in the grout. It's fantastic for helping with that discoloured, mouldy, sort of orangey coloured mould. All right, into the shower. So again, spray the glove. And dry. flip it over so you've got another dry side. Re-wet the glove. You can spray the actual glass as well if you like. And you can probably see that down here I've added what was left over on my bathroom sponge in the way of marble paste. That just makes it super speedy to get any of that soap scum off. Okay, and we dry, of course. And you can see that Miracles leave a streak-free, lint-free surface after it's dry. Perfect. All right, onto the tiles. Again, you can spray the tiles or your glove. It's only light pressure on your glove, no scrubbing. And dry. Just love what ENJO does for my taps, my chrome taps. They just come up beautifully. No watermarks. Okay, well that's the end of the bathroom demonstration. I'm going to get into the rest of the shower there and finish up, and I'll see you next in the kitchen. Bye for now.